Hello, landlords. So today we're talking about an appeal and who can step into the courtroom and what roles can they play. So the Justice Court has carved out a provision by which a property manager can step in for a holding company or an apartment complex or even, an individual who cannot appear at trial. This happens from time to time when, let's say, a realtor, for example, a realtor is managing property for, Joe Bag of Donuts. He owns two or three houses here in the Houston area, but he lives in Austin, right? And so Rita, the property manager, is collecting rents and taking care of repairs and things like that. And from time to time, she will file an eviction. And that's fine in the Justice Court, but once Rita gets to the county court on an appeal, she cannot show up and say, "Hi, I'm here for Joe Bag of Donuts." That's not allowed. She cannot represent another party once the matter is on appeal at the county court level. And so that's when either Joe's got to show up or other arrangements have to be made, particularly when an attorney steps in. So an attorney can represent an individual or a holding company or a limited partnership in these situations. And so it's a simple matter of the role that your property manager can play. She or he on appeal must be there as a fact witness, but cannot represent you. And so now here's what I'm going to hear, and I hear it all the time. Is it, but Ernie, I've done it before. Well, just like getting by with a bad lease or a bad notice to vacate, and getting by on it for years, the fact that you haven't been caught or busted on it at this point is not enough. The truth is, the rules don't allow it, and so if you're in front of a judge that doesn't allow it, you could have your case thrown out, or it could cause serious delay. And so, if you ask me what's the best practice, I'll always have, especially on appeal, consult an attorney, find out what the best practice is for your specific situation. Can the property manager go and do all this? It's a very fact specific thing, right? So if Joe handled it in JP, Joe can go in the county court and handle the matter on appeal. But Rita, the realtor, cannot represent Joe, the individual. Anyway, I hope this helps. Happy leasing.